Hi guys, we are back with another episode of the Marita Vernier Show on YouTube. No, I'm only joking. Today we're going to be talking about template creation, and of course we're doing it in my favorite place, Canva. Now, I do these as a source of income through my online gallery, but I also do it, or rather the main reason why I do it is because there are people like yourselves who either, one, they don't have the time to do it, or two, they haven't invested in my Canva course, so they don't actually know how to do it. And the purpose of doing it is you need to be able to create images and templates for social media, for the ebooks. If you've invested, which I hope you have invested, in my Earn While You Leisure bundle, you're going to need to know how to actually create products. And although the bundle will tell you step by step how to do it, it's always good to have something that is focused on just one thing so that you can start creating from now before that bundle even comes out. And while you're going through the courses in the ebook, just having something that you can focus on, like this video, it's a good thing to be able to say, you know what, I do know how to create for my social media. I can build my social media page. I don't have to wait for the bundle. I don't have to wait for another one of Marie's videos. I can create and build my social media and build my brand and my following because I know how to create content, and I can do it easily through Canva. So before we get into it, seeing as I've said probably Canva about 15 times already, you're going to head down to the description. You can pause the video, not a problem, I won't be offended. Pause the video, head down to the description box below and get yourself the 30-day free trial. It is with my link. Get it now before they change their mind and decide to do a 10-day trial. They used to do that. I know, I've been with them long enough. They change their offer all the time. For now, the 30-day free trial is available. It has been for a few months, but who's to know if it will still be there by May, June or July. So get it now whilst you can. The link is below. TDD, it's a bit.ly link. bit.ly, TDD, Canva, press on it. Get the 30-day free trial. It's free. It costs you nothing. And if you don't like it, which I very much so doubt you won't, but if you don't, you can cancel. There's no contract. Just put a note in a calendar what day to cancel and cancel. But give it a fair trial, okay? So I'm going to help you out with that. Do that now and then come back to this video. Okay guys, so across your screen you'll see where it says Diva Templates. This is the subscription rather, that I have put together, and it's in my online gallery in PayHip. That's the same place where you can get the Earn While You Leisure bundle. I will put a link to that below also. I have created these templates and offered the particular ones that I'm about to show you, which are these ones here. And I've offered them to my affiliates. Yes, I do have an affiliate program for the Earn While You Leisure bundle. Not only can you learn and earn, but you can also earn now before you even start learning anything. So let me say that again. Not only can you earn and learn from the bundle itself, you can also start to earn now by promoting the Earn While You Leisure bundle to friends, family, colleagues, whoever. Get them to order a copy of the bundle before the price goes up on April 1st, and you can earn 15% commission, which will be paid to you directly into your PayPal account every month. You will also continue to be an affiliate long after the promotion has ended, and you will get a further 15% on the higher priced bundle, which means more money for you. So it's win-win pretty much. So I'm going to put that link below as well, and that link will be a TDD promo link. Click on that if you want to become an affiliate. So let's get into it, because we're 4 minutes in and I know you guys are sometimes impatient. I don't want to hold you up too long. Right, this is what we call a template. I create these in this way with the filler image in the background. The filler image always looks like this, and you can find it here in the elements section. Now, elements has actually two sections. There's one called grids and there's one called frames. Frames is a little bit different. Frames look like this. So they've already done for you. The shape does not change. They are brilliant if you're looking for doing some kind of mock-up. So it could be a phone image, a computer, a laptop, a book, or any of these shapes here. Then that's perfect. And they're, you know, stamps, letters, numbers. That's brilliant for that. The other image is what you can see in the background here, and that's called a grid, and it's a filler grid. There are several types of grids. There are grids that are broken up into 3 sections, so you might have something like that. There are grids that are broken up like this in a different way, and there are then just the normal filler grid. The reason why we do that is because over the top of it, as you can see, I've put in text that is already set up to promote my bundle. However, if you want to make it more generic, you might just use text that looks a little bit like this, and then you would just say, you'll just put that in there. So you will just click on it and it will slot straight in, and then you will move that around. Now I'm not going to use this one right now because I don't want to ruin what we have created already. So that's just like this, because this is actually the page that I have sent to my affiliates. I don't want to mess it up for them. Obviously they can design this how they want and then download it and use it and change the shape and size within Canva by signing up to the 30-day trial, which they know, and now you know. And you can actually change the size by clicking on this button here, resize. And then you can change the size. All the dimensions are already there for you. You can see it says here with pixels, so it's all done for you. These are a lot of the ones that I use, but the list goes on. OMG, it just goes on. See, there's even t-shirt there as well, and there's now new Pinterest video pin, which I've used a couple of times, which is pretty brilliant. And then what you can either do, one of two things. You click on here, you can either just resize it, so say it's a Pinterest pin now and you just want to change it to an Instagram post, and that's it. Or you can copy and resize, which means that it will copy the image, it will keep this Pinterest image in your folder, and then it will create for you an Instagram image up here as well as. Or you can highlight several of them. So I can literally just keep going and highlight several, and it will make me several. If it does that, it will open up several tabs on your PC. So just be aware, just to kind of keep things all together and not get too confused. So maybe just do it one at a time. That's my best course of action, if you ask me. So that's that. Now, in terms of the image, how do we change the image? How do we make this go away? It's really simple. Go over to photos, pick an image that you like. I use this one a lot, but I also love this. And we simply just drag and drop. There we go. Sometimes it's a bit quicker, but that was pretty quick. We just drag and drop, and that is it. And then just to make this stand out, what you might want to do is change the color, put it into something that people can see, or yellow, so it's nice and bright, which is one of my favorites. Those are my brand colors, and that is it. Now obviously, just to take that away and keep things the way it was, very simple. We use the backspace button, or you can just delete the image from here. You click on there and that's it, done. Okay, so that's the way that we would usually do it. And I have created quite a few of them. You've got ones like this, where it's all sort of filled in for you. You've got the 80% spring sale. Now with this, we can go here and just delete the image, and we're back to the filler. Obviously, you can change the text on a template. You can change the button. You can play around with it as much as you want to on a template. The point is that it's basically done for you. And with the pro version of Canva, you can obviously, as I said before, you resize it how you want to, and you can have the same image for YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, WhatsApp for your WhatsApp story. I know I use mine daily. You can put it into a presentation, a Facebook post, it doesn't matter. It will be the same creation in the perfect dimensions for whatever social media platform you want to use it for. Okay, guys, so as I said, I'm going to keep it as short and as sweet as I possibly can. I hope that's helped. I hope it's given you information more on how and why and where to create templates, where you can get your hands on the subscription for the Diva templates that are done for you already, and also how you can create them yourself. Use the links in the description box so that you can grab that 30-day free trial. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, share, and I will see you tomorrow in the next one. Take care, guys.